Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add FAQ in Wix Studio. So in order to do this, first of all, open your Wix editing page. Now click on this small add apps icon at the left of the screen. Now you'll be navigated to your app market. In the app market, click on the search apps icon and search for FAQ. Now you will see a list of FAQs that you can add to your site. Click on see more results. Now you can choose any one of these FAQs you want. For example, I will choose Wix FAQ. I'll click on it. This will load up this page. Now I will have to simply click on this add to site button and it will automatically be added to my Wix website. As you can see, this Wix FAQ is placed here, and as you can see, it is pretty easy to add FAQ on your Wix website. Now you can click on manage FAQs and edit these FAQs anyhow you want by clicking on the edit button, adding a new question, then adding another answer to the question and clicking on save. So that's how you can add FAQ on Wix. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.